to my channel. This is me again, Diane. I'm a skincare and makeup enthusiast. I do Pinay-friendly skincare and makeup reviews. And here on my channel, you will always see me trying out different beauty products and beauty tools. But just a disclaimer, I am not an expert, neither I'm a doctor. But I like sharing my experiences and feedback on every single product that I use. So kung bago ka dito at mahilig ka rin sa mga pampaganda, you might want to consider subscribing and tap the bell para lagi kang notified kung may bago akong upload. So today guys, I will be doing a quick makeup video, and then I have some lashes here by Cavalli Lash, which I will be talking about later. Mapapansin nyo guys, wala akong makeup ngayon, wala pa akong makeup dahil mag-makeup nga tayo. So, I don't want to prolong this intro. I will be doing my makeup now, and then I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts about these lashes. So, without further ado, let's get started. By the way guys, hindi na nga pala ako muna magsasalita habang nagme-makeup ha, kasi sobra talagang ingay ng mga sasakyan sa labas. Kung iisa-isahin ko to hanggang dun sa lashes na i-review ko, sobrang aabuti tayo ng siyam-siyam. So, ayan guys. So, grab your snacks and drinks habang nanonood kayo sa aking pag-makeup. Light makeup or kahit na anong makeup yung kalabasan na gagawin ko ngayon. Kasi wala naman akong plano kung anong makeup yung gagawin ko. Basta magme-makeup lang ako. Okay, so mag-start na tayo guys.
Feels like I've known you my whole life, but nothing more than friends this whole time. Summertime skipping rocks so innocent. I never thought I'd ever hold your hand, but there's something in the sunset feels different this time. There's a feeling, if you feel it, baby, I don't wanna hide. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We can give this whole town something to talk about. We don't gotta pretend, don't gotta dance around it, no. I've been dreaming about a midnight, all night kind of kiss, making up for everything we ever missed. Yeah, there's something about your sweet smile, it's just different this time. So baby, lean in like you mean it, put your lips on mine. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can start a whole new chapter. Find our happy ever after. The only way to know is ask her, yeah baby. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We don't gotta stay friends forever. No, no.
please don't judge me. I'm not a professional makeup artist. Pero yan na nga yung final look na nagawa ko, guys. Ayan. So, ngayon, i-share ko na sa inyo yung mga products or yung mga eyelashes na meron ako dito. So, I have here some lashes by Cavalli Lash. I really like the color, the packaging. It's color pink. Nung dumating to sa akin, it's well packaged naman. No dents, given na it came all the way from the US pa. So, that's really good. Now, let's check what's on the inside, guys. Ayan yung kanyang loob. May Cavalli Lash dito. And then, ito yung mga products. Sobrang cute ng mga packaging. Nakalagay sila sa holographic na packaging. So, ayan. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang ganda ng mga packaging nila. Puro holographic yung kanilang boxes. Ayan. Magsisimula muna ako dito sa lash applicator, guys. Ito yung kanilang lash applicator. Nakalagay siya sa isang transparent na packaging. And then, this is the lash applicator. And as you can see, guys, it has the branding on the one side. Pero yung kabila, wala. So, this lash applicator retails for $2.50. In peso, that's 120 pesos. To be honest, guys, I really don't know how to use lash applicators. Yung mga ganito. I tried before, but I had a hard time and I just ended up really frustrated. So, I'm more comfortable using my hands. But on this one, hindi yung, alam niyo yung, it's wide enough to hold the lashes. So, hindi talaga ako masyadong nahihirapan na i-pick yung lashes gamit tong applicator at ilagay sa mata ko. Kaya lang pagdating dito sa mga dulo, dito sa dulo, sa inner part, kailangan ko talagang gamitin yung kamay ko. Kasi mas komportable talaga akong gamitin ang kamay ko. And the material used for this applicator, I think, is really good kasi it feels durable naman. And it doesn't feel cheap. Ayan. Para siyang metal siya, metal. Hindi siya plastic. So, moving on to the lash glue, I have here the clear one and the black one. Okay, so for me, mas gusto ko yung black na lash glue kung meron ako nakalagay na eyeliner. Pero since nga hindi naman ako naglagay ng eyeliner, yung clear glue yung ginamit ko. Then ito, kung makikita nyo, sobrang cute din talaga ng packaging nila. So ito yung black glue, and then ito yung white glue. Ayan. And then ito yung kanyang applicator. So ako guys, ito, dito sa applicator niya guys, ayan, makikita nyo. I personally like the applicator kasi I have more control dun sa paglalagay ng glue dun sa lashes. Kasi yung mga dating ginagamit ko na glue, nakalagay siya sa squeezy tube. Minsan napapasobra talaga yung lagay ko ng glue. Unlike with this applicator na talagang sakto lang yung dami na nailalagay mo, walang sayang. And this glue retails for $4.99 sa peso. That's 240 pesos. And then 7 grams yung laman niya. And it's unscented, guys. Wala naman siyang amoy. It's very easy to work with. I didn't have a hard time using it. And I think it's pretty decent. So if you wanna try it, I don't think you will be disappointed. Okay guys, so let's move on to the lashes. I have here Cavalli Lashes. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, for my first impression, just by looking at the packaging guys, it doesn't look cheap at all. Nakita nyo naman, sobrang ganda ng kanilang box. Nakalagay siya sa holographic box. Nasanay kasi ako, yung mga nabibili lang na online, sa online, yung mga parang divisoria yung quality, which is meron din namang magagandang ganon. Pero kung naghahanap nga kayo ng mas quality na lashes, guys, I think these lashes are pretty decent as well. So, these lashes retail for $5 to $8. In peso, that's 240 to 385 pesos, guys, each. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, guys, yung kanilang social media accounts are written on the back of each box. So, ayan, makikita nyo, lahat sila nakalagay dyan yung mga social media accounts nila. Pero I will put the links in the description box just in case you want to check them out. And also their website if you want to order. So, please check the description box. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo isa-isa, guys. guys yung kanilang iba't ibang lashes. At itong gamit ko guys ngayon ay si Phoenix. Ito siya guys. So, ayan si Phoenix.
I love to watch you sleep. Open up your...
Okay, so for my final thoughts, dito sa Cavalli Lashes, the one that I'm wearing right now, yung Phoenix, ito yung pinakamanipis na nakita ko, kaya ito yung ginamit ko. But as you can see, I think it's still a bit too long for my eye shape. But it sits well on my eyes. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels comfortable to wear. Yun nga lang, if you have a small face, especially for us Asians, usually our face is a bit smaller and so are the eyes. I think the lashes are a bit long to fit our eye shape. So, yun lang yung napansin ko kasi medyo mahaba siya for my eye shape. Medyo mahaba talaga na parang umaabot na hanggang sa kilay ko. Nandito na siya, oh. Abot na siya sa kilay ko. I just really want to be honest. I am really grateful for Cavalli Lash for sending me all these. But I really want to be honest with my review. So, I find some of the lashes here, I find them too thick for my preference. Kasi mas bagay talaga sa akin yung mas manipis. Pero kung aattend kayo ng mga parties or yung mga big events, wedding, or yung mga red carpet, mga ganyan, pwedeng-pwede to. Talagang napakaganda nilang gamitin kasi talagang bongga talaga siyang gamitin. They also have different colored lashes which are perfect for like if you are into cosplaying. You can partner them with your costumes. Pwede rin sa Halloween, sa Christmas, ganoon. Kaya nakakatuwa nung nagbabrowse ako sa website nila. Nakakatuwa yung mga colored lashes nila. Talagang pwede siyang gamitin sa mga costume parties. So ayun, so far okay naman siya sa akin. Okay lang, medyo makapal lang siya at medyo mahaba for my eye shape. At yung material na ginamit nila sa lashes is also good. It looks like real hair strands. So, ayun guys, ang aking review dito sa Cavalli Lash. And I hope nagustuhan nyo itong aking quick makeup video, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like and share and subscribe and tap the bell para lagi kang notified kung may bago akong upload. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.